Hey y'all. All right. Uh, got some PPE on, personal protective equipment. Uh, so today's the next day, and 24 hours later, you saw in the previous video I put those two very, very rusty baking pans in the uh, in the acid. I also put in a really rusty clutch fork. So we're going to see what it looks like. But first, I want to say thank you so much for the likes and the shares and the subscribes as usual. Now it's over 1,610. It's over that, so I'm just it's just astonishing. Truly astonishing to me because I cannot fathom that happening. But enough of that. So let's get back to the acid here. Like I said before, please do use caution and protection. Still see the bubbling going on. There's the clutch fork. So I guess let's pull out one of them. These poor pliers have. Wow, look at that. I guess I'll just do this. Look at that. Holy cow, look at that. Unbelievable. Absolutely, look at that. It's just unbelievable. I can't even imagine. So, they rinse that acid off of everything, including the pliers. I need to set this up. Hold on just a minute. Set the camera up too. Not really a good place here, so. I'm wearing a mask so I don't breathe this crap in. Wow. Pretty astonishing, really. It looks brand new. I mean, it's amazing. That's it. Now, I'm using my washer, my nozzle on shower to rinse off the acid and neutralize it. So, if you do, I don't recommend that you put your fingers there bare. Try to use some sort of glove. I did the other day. It didn't hurt. There was no problems. But I did rinse my fingers off pretty much immediately afterwards. Look at that. That looks like a brand new part you go and buy in a store somewhere. Look at that. That's just amazing. Let's get this out in the sun. Look at that. Isn't that something? That is incredible. Truly incredible. Absolutely incredible. Let's look at this guy right here. Look at that. Let me get my shadow out of the way here. Look at that. That is amazing. It's truly amazing. Never would have thought. Wow. Okay. I'll put the lid back on this. So, muriatic acid for the win. Let's see. I tell you what. I'm not going to let that go to waste. I've got a couple more parts over here. Now, of course, as you're using that stuff and you keep using it, it's going to get diluted down and it's going to become less and less powerful. But still, Jesus, I mean, that stuff is amazing. So, anyway, yeah. How about that guy? Yeah. So these are some tools that were given to me. So I'm going to see if that acid will clean some of these up. And I'm just going to do it. Let's see, what time is it right now? It is now here. It's now 12:45, 12:46. So I'm going to throw some of these guys like this in that acid. And let's see what happens. So now, another thing about using that stuff and being really cautious and careful with using it is, make sure to wear some sort of face protection, eye protection, something. Because if you drop something like this in there, it's going to splash. Okay, it's a liquid. So, all right. So here we go. And I may not make a video on this, but maybe I'll make a short. Okay. So here we go. Wire cutters. Some other wrenches. This one here isn't too bad, really. But I'll throw it in there anyway. I'll tell you what, I'm going to pull these out like later today. Either about like 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening. Dropped one in there. Got a little bit on my fingers. It's okay though. I'll just rinse them off. No big deal. So, anyway, all right. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, I hope you do. If you got any questions about it, just, you know what to do. Put them down below. I'll answer your questions the best I can as soon as I can. All right. Thank you very much. God bless. Have a great one.